Gone are the days when a standard dull truck would suffice. The modern driver seeks unparalleled power both on and off-road, demanding intimidating engine torque. Whether you're in search of the ultimate desert truck or need remarkable towing power, this 3/4 ton truck has you covered. We're thrilled to introduce the all-new Shelby American SuperBaja F-250. The Shelby SuperBaja F-250 is anything but ordinary. We've implemented a series of extreme upgrades. At its core, this powerhouse rests on a 5-inch BDS suspension lift system. This truck is not only equipped with a Fox 2.5 Race Series adjustable coilover, but also includes a custom-tuned Race Series remote reservoir shock. And to complete the commanding presence of this truck, it proudly sits on striking 20-inch black and gray off-road wheels encased in 37-inch premium mud terrain tires. Shelby American's heritage exemplifies hard work and dedication to American muscle. Shelby has taken the Ford F-250 Super Duty with its powerful 6.7-liter V8 diesel engine and cranked it up a few notches. So remember to live fast and drive faster.